Alrighty, welcome to today's Ask the Experts. My name is Irene Griffin. I am the Director of Customer Support here at Fran Connect. I'll be kind of a guest star here on the Ask the Experts session. It's not going to be a very long one today, but it is my pleasure to introduce myself and to field any questions from you. I believe we have Frank on moderator as well. He'll be reading questions to me. So welcome everyone, happy Friday, and I appreciate the opportunity to give you a new tour of our new RoboHelp. So what we've developed here at Fran Connect in conjunction with the new Polaris release is a new RoboHelp. This is something that we've put together in order to make our customers just a little bit more self-sufficient in reaching out and getting help and getting information about the Fran Connect system. What you see here on my screen is the Fran Connect Sky Help Center. So I call it RoboHelp. We're also calling it the Help Center. And I think it'll develop a nickname probably as we're rolling it out and branding it with our customers.
I don't want RoboHelp.
The way to access this system is at the top right corner of your Polaris main screen. So I'm going to go over to what we call Skybox. Skybox is Fran Connect's own Fran Connect. Yes, sir, we eat our own dog food here at Fran Connect. We use this to track on our own customers and our own contacts. And while we may not be necessarily generating leads and opening up franchises, we certainly have a lot of information that's very similar. So we use our own system, try to get a feel of how our customers use it day to day. So you'll notice here at the top of what we call Skybox is a link to the Help Center. When I click on the Help Center, it automatically pops me into this Help Center. Now, why did I end up in the Hub pages? Well, as a matter of fact, the main screen of our Skybox is the Hub module. And so we have context-sensitive help. If I want to just go to the main screen of the Help Center, I can click at the top left, just like on most websites, and that will take me to the home page. So that's the Fran Connect Sky Help Center main page. Now, we have a little welcome section here that details out some other great resources for you, our Fran Connect customers. For example, right here is a link to our knowledge base articles. And this is, folks, be gentle, it's a work in progress. We are now rolling out knowledge base articles. A lot of our staff here has been tasked to write up articles a little more in-depth than what you might find in a typical help center. And throughout the next year or so, you'll be seeing more and more populated in there. Now, a knowledge-based article is a little bit different than just a help center FAQ. So help might just be a quick overview, an introduction about a particular module, or some high-level how-tos. Knowledge-based articles are intended to and will be, hopefully, solving larger business problems. So, for example, processing an FDD according to best practices. So it isn't just step 1, 2, 3. There's also just industry analysis type things, best practices on how to manage just from the business level, as opposed to just a software how-to or a software module coverage. So again, when you're in your Fran Connect system, for example, if I'm in the hub and I'm in the messages section and I'm here looking at messages, and then I seek out my top right, click Help Center, you'll see me come in here, and not only is it in the hub area, it's in hub messages. So context sensitive. We try to be very, very helpful about the way we've built out this Help Center. So what's in here? So we've got sales module, and you see how it's broken down here. We start with like an about page, and then we dig deeper into navigating the sales module, how to use the sales homepage, viewing lead summary information. So there's just a lot here that we put together over the past few months. And so working with lead records, adding leads manually, finding duplicate leads. Obviously, I'm not going to read the entire help resource section to you, but as you can see, all the modules are listed here. How to create workflows, determining which workflows to use and when. We have sections on FDD, which I mentioned earlier. We have importing and exporting data. I know that's a very popular thing. As someone who's been working in the customer support department, I know we have a lot of tickets that come in and questions and how-tos on importing and exporting data. Our mail merge feature in Polaris is completely new, so we've documented the whole thing, and hopefully you'll find this very helpful. There's areas for dashboards, and we try to do good screenshots when we can to kind of keep our documentation crystal clear. Here's Hub Directory and also so it does go on and on and on, and of course you can collapse each section just the same way that you open it. One thing I did want to point out here, We do have a section on Insights, and Insights is our new reporting tool. So if you haven't hopped onto the webinar to learn all about Insights, this is something that you can peek into and get some information ahead of time. Maybe ask some questions through our online help as well. And so here's some dashboard, finance dashboard. That's been a very popular topic of chatter here amongst our customers. All these really great resources for you. Explains which is one of them is. So that's it. That's it in a nutshell for today. Just giving you a quick tour of this. Again, it's context sensitive. It's right in your version of Polaris. This is for Sky only, Sky customers only. We are still in the process of rolling out the links to all of the help centers throughout all of Fran Connect. So you may see it on your homepage, but it hasn't yet rolled out to the hub yet. In the coming months, you should be seeing those links on every screen, and again, context-sensitive help for modules as well as how-tos. I think that's about all I have for today. Other than that, I guess there is a search here. So let's say I wanted to learn about QuickBooks. If I don't know what section it belongs to, I can just type the word QuickBooks in our search box here or here, on the left-hand side or the right-hand side, and go right to the topic at hand. And so that will open that in for you so you don't get lost. Does anybody have any questions? I'll open this up to see if there are any questions. Nope, I don't see any questions today. If there are any, though, we'll make sure that we get back to you on those answers to any questions you may have. I think if you've registered for this or attended it, you will receive a recording of it. So as
does it in Charles just say approved? No, we'll put it. I'm try it. Sure.
That's
just drag and drop it into the folder for you.
I think that's it for today. Thanks everybody for joining us. You'll all receive recordings of the session, and have a great day.